to discuss chemistry, boric acid. Okay, boric acid is very important. That's why I will discuss. Now start. Boric acid, boric acid. Chemical formula H3BO3. Category local infective. Category local anti-infective. This class is based on medicine chemistry. This is based on medicine chemistry. And standard boric acid a weak acid. Okay, this is the weak acid, and form a sodium salt. It contains not less than 99.5% and not more less than 100.5% of boric acid. Preparation. It is prepared by adding dilute sulfuric acid to a boiling solution of boron in nature. On a laboratory. Scale reaction. Na2B4O7 plus H2SO4 Na2B4O7 plus H2SO4 plus 5H2O equals to Na2SO4 plus 4H3BO3. Physical properties of physical. It is a colorless and odorless powder. Number 1, it is a colorless less and odorless powder. It is a colorless and odorless powder. Number 2, it is separately soluble in water and alcohol and completely soluble in glycerin. Number 3, it is stable in air. It is stable in air. So properties of the physical: it is a colorless and odorless powder, and it is a separately soluble in water and alcohol, and completely soluble in glycerin, and it is stable in air. Chemical properties, friends. Chemical property. Chemical property is H3BO3 tends to 100 degrees Celsius and with heat is equal to HbO2 plus H2O. H2O 4HbO2 is 60 degrees Celsius heat. H2B4O7 plus H2O. Number 3, 3H2O plus B2O3 is equal to 2H3BO3. Boric acid when dissolved in glycerin. Number 4, boric acid when dissolved in glycerin behaves as a strong acid. This acid is glyceroboric acid. It is CHT glycerin, boric acid plus glycerin, CH2OH and CH2OH. 2 into CHOH and CH2OH tends to glyceroboric acid. Definition is H2COH HCO and H2CO B and OCH and OCH2 and CH2OH. Storage. Now we are coming storage. Storage is stored in a well closed well closed container. Assay of boric acid. Boric acid is a weak acid. Boric acid is a weak acid. So it is titrated with standard alkali correctly. It is added glycerol and make a strong solution. This is the assay of the boric acid, and uses is very very useful for medicine purpose. It is used in a dusting powder. Number 2, it is used as an emollient, antiseptic ointment for treating diaper rash. Number 3, it is used as an antimicrobial in eye drop. Thank you.